always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello. It's so good to see you.
Excuse me, Mr. Goose.
Yes, Fox?
I'm making up a game, and I need a rock.
Fox, you just used the letter of the day.
I did? Yay! Which letter did I use?
The letter R. R makes the sound R in rock. Listen. R, rock.
Rock.
Now you try.
Rock.
Well done. Let's look for a rock together. I see a rock over there.
Oh, you're right.
I heard the letter of the day again.
Me too. Right.
That's exactly right.
Thanks, Mr. Goose. I'll share my game when I'm done.
Marvelous. In the meantime, here are more things that begin with R.
Rain. Rain. Rainbow. Rainbow. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rocks. Rocks. Robot. Robot. Rice. Rice.
What letter do all these words start with?
R.
That's right. The letter R.
Letter Safari! Let's find some beginning letter sounds. Ooh, look! Flowers! Listen. Flowers. Flowers. Do you hear that? Flowers begins with F. Flowers. Let's find more beginning letters. I see a butterfly. Listen. Butterfly. Butterfly. What letter makes the beginning sound in butterfly? B! That's right. Butterfly. A rainbow. Listen. Rainbow. Rainbow. What letter do you hear? R! Right. Look, there's a wiggle bug. Listen. Wiggle bug. Wiggle bug. What letter do you hear? W! Wowie! Let's listen to the beginning letters again. Flowers. What's that letter? F! Butterfly. What's that letter? B! Rainbow. What's that letter? R! Wiggle bug. What's that letter? W! Let's put these 4 letters in our learning book. Say each letter with me. F! B! R! Thanks for going on a letter safari with me. See you soon.
Hi, it's me, Pig. Let's do a letter dance. Say R.
R.
All right, say it again.
R.
Groovy. Let's dance.
Letter R, letter R. What's that letter? Letter R. Every letter makes a sound. What's it sound? Let's break it down.
Get down.
Rabbit. Rice. Radio. Robot. That's the letter R.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, that's the letter R.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, hey, R.
Groovy. I love dancing together. Bye.
Letter R. Letter R. What's that letter?
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one.
It's called The Lost Laugh. In this story, Hyena loses his laugh. I wonder where it could be. Let's find out. Let's begin. The Lost Laugh, written by Michelle Preen, illustrated by Karen Lilja, designed by Vilna Kombrink. Spotty the hyena is very sad. He has lost his laugh. Please help me find my laugh, Giraffe. I can't hear a laugh up here. Please help me find my laugh, Hippo. I can't hear a laugh down here. Please help me find my laugh, Warthog. I can't hear a laugh in here. Please help me find my laugh, Monkey. How did you lose it? When I laugh, you can see my big teeth. That makes everyone frightened, said Spotty. Then I got sad and my laugh just disappeared. I can't find it anywhere. But you were looking in the wrong place. Monkey jumped out of the tree and picked up a feather. Then she began to tickle Spotty all over. Slowly, Spotty started smiling, and then he let out a big, loud laugh. He laughed and laughed until he was rolling around on the ground. All the other animals started laughing too. Where did you find his laugh? They asked. His laugh was inside him all the time. I just made him happy, and out it came. They all laughed and laughed so that their teeth showed too. I'll never lose my laugh again, said Spotty, the happy hyena. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing a counting song about potatoes.
Potatoes?
Yes, potatoes. It goes like this. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. Are you ready to count potatoes with me?
Yeah!
Let's go!
Here we go.
1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more.
Again.
1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more.
Ooh, that was fun.
That was wonderful. Thank you for singing with me.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Shapes. Circles. Triangles. Ovals. Squares. Rectangles. Stars. Hey, I have an idea. Look.
That's me.
Let's look for rectangles. Do you see one? Let's look for another one. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
This is tricky. Oh, there it is!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Oh yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Oh yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin